the trickle-down effect is kind of, it sounds good, but I'm kind of waiting for it to rain, you know what I'm saying?
And so I think a lot of people, industrial strategy may sound confusing to them, but it's the idea that you want to build up your domestic economy, you want to build up your manufacturing capacity. You want to make stuff as an economy, right? You don't just want to be a branch plant economy.
Can you kind of touch on how lack of a modern industrial strategy has affected Hamilton?
Big time. I think Hamilton's almost one of the classic examples of this. The lack of an industrial strategy, the lack of a government's willingness to protect its own manufacturing base is almost suicidal.
So do you work yourself?
No, I'm unemployed.
Yeah.
But how's a young guy save for a house or a new car or anything when he knows he's going to be out of work in 3 years?
It's craziness because there's no factory work here.
But government could change that. Government could easily could pass laws which say, if you're going to get the handouts and the tax breaks and the funding that corporations get, you got to stay here in Canada. You got to hire Canadians,
If there is any trickle-down effect, it's very minimal. A big business gets a tax cut. They don't normally use that tax cut money to open up more plants or more services. What they usually do is kind of just keep it in the bank, use it for stocks, and really just to bring the value of their company back up. What we want is the value of individual Canadians to be brought back up. We kind of believe like a rising tide brings up all ships, so that kind of mentality.
Raising awareness is the best thing to do.
Yeah, we've seen that since the 80s, right? There's no trickle-down effect. It should have happened by now, right?
Yeah.
30 years later, what's going on?
What's that phrase? That definition of insanity is continuing to do the same thing, expecting different results.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
And it hasn't worked for us lately, so it's time to try something new.
I hope you guys get lots of people coming
Awesome,
by.
thank you.
We're getting out there.
Thanks for taking the time to talk.
Yeah, we got buttons
thanks
too,
so
if you
much.
guys want
Very
some
interesting.
buttons. Unions Matter, the Robin Hood tax one, that's pretty awesome.